Okay, another quick update. It literally rained before we got here. I had no choice but to mow because I'm only getting 2 Sundays off a month now. So it's either mow now or nothing. I put that mold thing. It turned out really good on the beams. So that was really good. And of course the ceiling still leaked. I haven't fixed it, but I did order another jack. Another one just like these for $65 off eBay. And the thing is, because I need to put it back right there where the roof beam is, see, to have enough combined weight to lift that whole gable up. Because that's just trying to lift the whole gable on. I can show you right here on one roof beam. That's it. So there's another roof beam over there. You can't see it, and that's where I'm lifting it up on the 2 gable beams, original roof beam. Let me just get here, which will level that out finally. So maybe next time I'm over here I can do that. And I bought some more wood sealant stuff. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna walk around and show you the yard because I'm tired. Beat tired. Like really bad tired. And I'm hoping Mama didn't start this week on her job, or I'm gonna have to go all the way home without a shower. So I'll show you at least the land looks good after I mowed. These idiots, I caught one guy. He has a new Toyota Tacoma pickup, maybe about 10 years old, an old man of all things. And he kept around that back road right there. What? Weird, sorry about the thumb. And he started turning right where that mud hole is. And I yelled at him, then he turned real quick and drove off real fast. So, stupid old men. This isn't a mud hole, damn it. Somebody mows this. So I bounced on my mower since it was wet, trying to get it fixed. At least the grass is coming back. I did get the ruts down quite a bit though, thank God. I'm letting the house hair out 5 minutes before I leave too. But yeah, that's still a nightmare. It'll get better and the grass grows. That's gonna be a nightmare for a while because the ground's so soft. Oh, I'm tired. This is my first day off in 2 weeks. My back hurts and I am worn out. Looks like my leaks, that's what I'm calling them anyway, they're all heading out, which is cool. Oh, look at that. Man, those are tons of flies there and I don't know why. Must be something dead in the ground. Yeah, see, aren't these cool? And inside they look like little red onions. Pretty dang neat. But this is how they sprout out and then they'll drop and come up next winter. And every year I just keep letting them grow a little bit more and more and they keep expanding that patch. They've had so much rain over here on this property though. My other sunflowers where I live, they're actually taller than me, so that means they're between 6 and 7 foot tall. And I planted these 2 weeks earlier, and they're barely 2 feet tall. Hopefully, it'll be better next year. There's a cottonwood tree. Ooh, I'm back. And it is, my back hurts too much, it's too humid and rainy to clear out for the mulberry trees. I brought the tools along, I'm just too exhausted. Getting too old to be doing this by myself anymore. So, unfortunately, I may have to. I don't want to, but I'm thinking about selling all this. It's going to be too much to keep up without any help. I own from here all the way down to that road. So that's pretty neat. Oh, and this garden is not growing. My tomato plants on Heston are above their 3-foot fence, sprouting way above the tomato cages. This property here's gotten so much water this year that even the green beans don't really want to grow. They're very weak and sickly because all the water. Oh, you're there. Might have to check mine at Heston then, but these things are putting out little baby green beans. See that? Even though they're stunning, they're still putting them out. Good. I think the peas finally died all off. Pretty sure they did. Yeah. The peas died off, and that's just the green beans left. And I wasn't spray this, but see, still. Yeah, they're way too soaked. I got some wood sealer for this, so it'll last through the year, but it's too wet. Corn's doing good though. How long is that? I can't tell. Anyway, I got this here all. I took my rakes, shoved a lot of rocks away to move them back to expose the ground. I mowed this, so that does look a lot better too. I need to further maybe get some of these bigger rocks out of here next time. So I can just mow the slow area every time. Yeah. That one final look, guys. Alrighty, till next time.